this video, I'm going to show you how to add soundboard sounds to your Discord server. So this can be really useful if you want to go and upload and play your own custom sounds. Now to do this, we just need to go and click on our server in the left hand side. Once you're in your server, click on the server name in the top left and click on server settings. From the left hand navigation, click on Soundboard and then select upload sound. Now click on browse next to upload a sound, and here you'll need to go and select the sound effect that you want to upload. You can then hold the control key on your keyboard and you can go and trim this to either make it shorter or longer. You can then go and add a sound name and also a related emoji as well. And then finally, you can go and adjust the sound volume. Now you can see at the moment the upload button is grayed out, and that's because my sound effect is too long. So if I go and trim this down, you can see the colors now turn green, and this means I'm now able to upload this. So go and click on the upload button, and that's going to upload your sound effect. Now to start using this in your Discord server, let's just head back over to our server, and then over in this left hand side, you need to go and join a voice channel. Once you're in a voice channel, you can click on open soundboard, and then you can select your sound effect to start playing it in Discord. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.